Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Mozart AI and Suno AI. Mozart AI is an AI-powered music generation platform that allows users to create songs quickly and easily from photos, text prompts, or existing lyrics. It is designed for beginners and casual music creators who may not have formal music training. Users can upload a photo or input text, select a genre and style, and a Mozart AI generates a unique song based on that input. It also allows basic customization of instruments, tempo, and mood to better match that user's vision. The platform is very user-friendly, making it accessible for anyone who wants to experiment with music creation without learning complex software. It is ideal for personal projects, social media content, or just exploring creative ideas. Suno AI, in contrast, is more designed AI music generator aimed at professional quality output. It can produce songs entirely from the text prompts and supports a wide variety of genres and styles. Suno AI offers detailed customization options such as controlling instruments, beats, melodies, and song structure, making it suitable for more serious music production. It has been integrated into platforms like Microsoft Copilot, which allow users to incorporate generated music into larger workflows seamlessly. However, Suno AI has faced legal challenges, including lawsuits from major music labels alleging copyright infringement because its training data included copyrighted music, which may be a concern for commercial use. If your goal is to quickly create unique and fun songs with minimal effort, Mozart AI is a better choice due to its simplicity and ease of use. If you need professional quality music with more control over composition and customization, Suno AI is stronger, but you should be aware of potential legal issues if the music is intended for commercial purposes. Overall, Mozart AI best for beginners and casual creators, while Suno AI suits advanced users and professional music projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.